Hi. So every week when you receive an email from Javier regarding drafting needs, you can access the drafting request form by clicking the link that he emails. Once it's open, start filling in all the fields. Brief summary of revisions such as engineering comments or architectural comments, door updates, etc. Just something short. If you have engineering comments, always review it with Jumpstart prior to sending off a drafting request. So once you talk to Jumpstart, be sure to check this. So under explain revisions, if you do need more room, select the plus sign over on the side. And then before you click the generate email button, you might see a security warning up at the top here. If you see that, please go ahead and select enable content, since this is a macro enabled form. Once you go ahead and click enable content, go ahead and hit generate email. So once you generate email, a new email message will be created. It won't necessarily pop up, but you may notice your Outlook icon down here highlighted. So go ahead and select that or hover, and then you'll see that a new email has been created. It's already pre-filled with the recipient. It's already pre-filled the subject line for you. It just takes the job name and mashes it together with the brief description. And then it already attaches your request form, so you don't need to save it. You could also, in this email message, you could snip items and include it directly in this email message. You could add additional recipients if you want. When you're done, go ahead and click send. And this will send your drafting request to the Trello board. So as you can see, popped up, test job engineering comments with your shop drawing request form and other little snippets that you included. And that's it.